I think Santa Claus came. Oh. Are you going? Hi, guys. Merry Christmas.
Charlie got Thomas train thing. Yeah. Oh boy, look at that, buddy. Yeah.
Yeah. What is that, buddy?
There's two Thomases. Uh-oh. More Thomas. A Thomas. This house does not have a car.
Look, there's lots of trains on that thing. Truck.
But where's this one?
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
A helicopter, yeah.
What are these little things?
Those are barrels of oil. And the cranes have magnets on them to pick it up.
Where's the crane? Who's this?
Yeah, that's a crane,
His
see?
name is Cranky.
It's Cranky the Crane. Charlie, you like your train?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep,
It's a
turn it.
magnet.
Turn it.
That's right, Charlie. I like this.
Good job, Ellie.